Hello everyone and welcome to this podcast. We are so glad that you are joining us. Today we will be talking about a very important change that is taking place in 2026 to board examination. To guide us through this topic and clear our doubts, we have Ms. Shakti, the Vice Principal of Chiron International School with us. With her experience and insight, she will help us understand with this new system of board examination, what this means to a student and how students should prepare for it and what kind of changes in the result will be taking place. So let's meet her and move forward. So let's get started and hear it from Shakti ma'am.
Thank you, Shelly, for calling me for the podcast. Yeah, this is the very hot topic these days, that two board examination system that has been introduced by CBSE for grade 10. So let's discuss something about it and let's get into it, that how this is going to work.
Okay ma'am, so my first question to you is it compulsory for all the grade 10 students to appear in two board examination?
Just see, Shelly, this is the most important thing that parents want to know, that is it compulsory for children to appear for both the board exams? No, it is not. The first board examination, which is going to start tentatively from 15th Feb, is mandatory for all. And then in second board examination, if they want to give any improvement, they can appear for the second board examination. It is completely on their choice, right? So it is not compulsory to appear for both the board examinations, but yes, the first board examination is mandatory, and to appear for 3 subjects is mandatory for the first board examination. And if you are not appearing at all for the first board examination and you think you will be able to give second board examination, that would happen, because then under that circumstance you will come under essential repeat, and then you have to give board examination next year. So first board examination is mandatory to appear.
Which year this new system of board examination, that is two board examination, will begin?
So this system of two board examinations will begin from the session 25-26. So the examination that we are going to have in 2026 will be in two board pattern system.
Ma'am, can you please tell us who all are eligible to appear for these examinations?
See, Shelly, it is a common thing, like all the children who are enrolled with CBSE are eligible to give these examinations, right? All the registration processes and all the things related to it are already done by the schools, right? And are in the same process. So all the children who are registered with Central Board of Secondary Education are eligible to appear for both the examinations.
Ma'am, apart from the written examination, what role will internal assessment play in these examinations?
Kelly, this is very important for all of us to know, that internal assessments will be taken only once, right? So once during the first board examination, whatever internal assessments are taken by the teachers are uploaded on the CBSE site, and for second board examinations there will be no internal assessments. So internal assessment will be taken only once, even in the two board systems.
And can you throw some light on what changes students can expect and how the result will be declared?
See, there are no such major changes. The examinations will be held according to the examination bylaws of the CBSE, according to the protocols that has been already set up by the CBSE. So first examination, as I already said, tentatively may start from 15th Feb, and the result for this, the result declaration, will be in the month of April. And the second board examination tentatively may start in the month of May, and tentatively we can say the result declaration will be in the month of June. So all the examination and results will be according to the bylaws of the CBSE.
So this was Ms. Shakti Dasi, the Vice Principal of Chiron International School, guiding us all through the two board examination system. Look forward for another podcast including some another important topic. Kindly follow for more.